Okay, student, now we are going to solve the question number 4 of exercise 15. The second part. Here we have the two triangles. We have to find whether they are congruent or not by using the properties of congruency, which we have 4 properties. So in solution we have two triangles, triangle ABC, and if we take the correspondence between two triangles, the second triangle is triangle DEF. So we'll take the corresponding sides and angles. As we see that the first side of this triangle, which is AB, is equal to the corresponding sides DE. So these two sides are equal to each other, so we write AB is equal to DE. It is a side. Now we take the corresponding angles. Angle A is of 90 degree and angle D is also of 90 degree. So we can say that angle A corresponds to angle D, which are equal to each other. So its angle, and if we take the correspondence of the side AC and DF, so AC, this side and this side are equal to each other, so we will write the measurement of side AC is equal to the measurement of side DF. So it is also a side. So the case is side, angle, side. So the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. The case is SAS, side, angle, side.